So this video is all about how to construct an equilateral triangle. So the thing about an equilateral triangle is that all of the sides are the same and all of the angles are the same. So let's randomly say we want to draw an equilateral triangle with side lengths of 5 centimeters. So I'm going to measure 5 centimeters with my ruler. Of course, that's just 10 of my half centimeter graph squares, so I could just count along 10 of my squares. Sometimes it's a bit easier to use the square grid that's there than a ruler. So that's one side of my triangle, and I'm going to get my compass to the same length, 5 centimeters, as that line that I've just drawn. Now I've got to draw another point up there to make the triangle, and it's got to be 5 centimeters from each of the ends of the line I've just drawn, because in an equilateral triangle all of the sides have to be the same. So I'm going to get my 5 centimeter compass and just do an arc there, and I know that everywhere on the arc is 5 centimeters from the end there because I just measured it. And then I'm going to do exactly the same, keeping my compass at the same length from the other end, and I know that everything on this arc that I've just drawn is 5 centimeters from that end. So if I join them up where those two arcs meet, then I'm joining them up at a point that is 5 centimeters from each end. So if it's 5 centimeters at the base and then 5 centimeters from each end, then we've achieved an equilateral triangle. 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. We can put little markers on like that to show that those things are equal. And then of course all of the angles are 60 degrees as well, because a whole triangle is 180 degrees. All of those angles are the same because it's an equilateral triangle, so 180 divided by 3 is 60.